In this video, I'm going to show you how quick it is to add a new form to our system. So after you created an account, you go to the dashboard and you can see here, this is the first form we have to add. So I already know which contact form I want to check. So I'm just going to copy paste the URL. And this entire process can literally set up a monitor in less than a minute, because we go and check a few things. You can see it verified that the form was there. It suggests a name to save it by, and then also asked us to confirm which email you want to be notified that a form has been tested. So we're going to click Save Form, and the first thing it suggests is us to run a quick test. Now these tests take about half a minute, give or take, depending on the complexity of the form and what we exactly are testing. So what is happening right now in the background, we are actually filling out the form and sending a contact to you. And then the idea is that once you retrieve it, you can come back into our system, and we will also send you an email saying, hey, have you actually retrieved this email? And then we can monitor and make sure that everything is going the way that it should. You see the test is finished. It's completed the run, and you can already here say you have received the test mail or email, or did not receive it. Please keep in mind when you first add this that you need to double check that junk and spam folder, it doesn't show up there. And if there's anything else, you can always contact our support. You can also go to, I just saw on my other monitor that the email actually just came through. So I just click and say, hey, I have retrieved the email, and that's it. Now we can go back to the dashboard. Now here you will see a list of the different forms that you are monitoring, and you can see a history of what has been going on. So far in this, we only have one particular test to run. And you can go here and you can see, you can also automatically pause. If you don't want to continue, you can run the test right now, depending on your level. And then you can also see the history, like every time we have made a test on this particular form, you can see all the information here. So this is it. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.